I have my assistant here. He agreed to do a video, and it turns out he doesn't have the guts for it. Alright, so today what we are going to do is we're just going to do a versus video between the Milwaukee M12 Fuel impact driver versus the M12 Fuel Surge impact driver. Now, in my opinion, in hindsight, I think the impact driver is going to win, but what I want to find out in this video is how much does the Surge lose? And I want to find out if it's even that much power loss, is it even worth to take this? Now, if this loses just by a couple of seconds in each test, then I'd say get the Surge. Based on the mechanics of the Surge, it is a lot quieter than the original impact driver. All right, so if there isn't that much of a power difference, I'd go with the Surge. But we're going to find that out today. We're going to see what the actual difference is between these two doing the same tasks. Make sure you go to VCG Construction. He is an extremely good watch and very informative on upcoming tools that are coming out. He's doing a Milwaukee Pipeline Party Watch, so you can actually go and watch stream. He's going to stream the actual pipeline video that Milwaukee is hosting. And so yeah, so it's good. Please check out VCG Construction. I love his channel. All right, so let's look at the specs of these really quick. So this is the Milwaukee Fuel Surge impact driver. It has it's a 1/4-inch hex collet. This is model number 2551-20, 12-volt system. It has 4 speed settings. It has, I like to call it screw, but it's self-tapping. And 1, 2, and then 3. All right, so this only gives the specs for the high speed setting. This goes to 0 to 3,200 RPM and 0 to 3,400 impacts per minute. And so yeah, the battery is full. The Milwaukee M12 fuel system, it is not, the fuel gauge is not on the battery, it's on the tool, which is usually displayed in the same, almost in the same spot in every tool. And so yeah, it is brushless. And so yeah, so this is gonna be an interesting one. I just got this in. I've never even used this before, so I'm actually curious to see on how well it does. Now, I do have the rigid Stealth, which is the same thing. All right, for the M12 Fuel regular impact driver, it's the same thing. It's self-tapping, speed 1, 2, and 3. This is model number 2553-20. Same thing. It only gives the specs on the highest speed. All right, so this goes to 0 to 3,300 RPM and 0 to 4,000 impacts per minute. Now, that is 100 RPM more and 600 impacts per minute more. That 600 impacts per minute more, that's actually a lot. So let's, but the consequences is this is loud and this is soft. So we will see what this actually can do against each other. Now, both batteries are full. That's full, that's full. So yeah, let's see what these can do. All right, so remember when you work, wear gloves and safety glasses. Got mine right here. All right, first we're gonna start off small, then we actually are gonna go a little bit bigger. We are gonna start off with the regular impact driver first. Timberlock first. I got a fresh sleeve right here, a fresh canvas to put in holes in. Right here is good. All right, ready? Go. Time. All right, let's do one for the Surge. Right next to it is perfect. Battery is full. It's on speed 3. So ready? Go. Oh, go. Wow. What a difference in noise. What a difference in noise. All right, what I'm gonna do is I am not gonna adjust the sound. You guys are, so a warning on your volume. Turn on your volume now. I am gonna do that again really quick and show you the difference of sound with no edit of the sound period. Just be warned, like this one will blow your, is gonna crackle your speakers. So turn your volume down a little bit. Go. Wow. Wow, what a difference in sound. All right, so let's take it out. It's in reverse. And by the way, this is the most powerful 12-volt impact driver that there is yet. The Milwaukee's M12 system is unprecedented. This stuff is seriously, seriously phenomenal. It really is. All right, so ready? Go. Wow, what a difference in sound. All right, time for the surge. All right, so ready? Go. Wow. Oh, my bad. My bad. I edited, I stopped the timer for when it slipped then and restarted it when I got back on it. So that is the Timberlock. Or let's do 6-inch specs next. Most of you guys know, my subscribers know that 12-volt tools are my favorite tools. I love 12-volt tools. They seriously are very powerful for what they are. All right, battery's still full. It's on speed 3. All right, so ready? Go. Time. Let's do the surge next. I love my new shop setup, by the way. This is seriously awesome. It feels much better. Just how everything's positioned, it feels a lot better. All right, so ready? Go. I feel a little extra vibration on the surge. Like my fingers started to tingle a little bit from the vibration. I didn't notice that with the impact, with the regular impact, but I noticed it with the surge. My fingers were actually tingling from the vibration. All right, let's take it out. Battery's full, speed 3. Ready? Go. Time. That is powerful. That is very powerful. All right, so I just want to say this, you guys. My favorite combination of tools when it comes to working on the house is these two. This is a perfect combination right here. Just saying. Alrighty, so let's have the surge take its out. All right, so ready? Go. Yeah, I feel the vibration. That is quiet, though. That is seriously quiet. But yes, that confirms that this vibrates in your hand a lot more than the regular impact driver does. It does. Need my Hilti drill bits for this. Sorry, driver bits. All right, so let's do the Milwaukee's regular impact first. Battery is still full. All right, so balancing act. Ready? Go. Time. All right, let's do the surge next. Do a little balancing act. Hopefully I can get it in straight. Ready? Go. Wow, that noise though, that noise is insanely quiet. A drill is louder than that. Let's take it out. All right, so ready? Go. Time. Yeah, so just so you guys know, like every time I put in a screw or lag, whatever, and take it out, I actually split that part, turn the volume down because it will crackle your speakers. All right, battery's at 3 bars for the surge. Battery's at 4 bars for this regular impact. All right, let's see. Maybe the surge uses a little bit more energy than the regular impact does. All right, so ready? Go. Time. And we will see on how long this Makita adapter lasts. It's new. I filmed 2 episodes with that, I think. So we'll see how long that lasts. Yep, 6-inch and 4-inch. All right, we're going to use the regular impact first. Battery is still full. Right here is good. I'll do it this one. All right, so ready? Go. Nope, a little bit more. Continue. That's it. Let's take it out a little bit. All right, there we go. It did it. It did it. Come on, guys, you got to admit, that's impressive for a 12-volt tool. That's seriously impressive for a 12-volt tool. But let's see on how, what I want to see in this test, I want to see when push comes to shove on how loud this really gets. For something hard, it can't stay quiet. Eventually it's going to get loud. All right, so ready? Hopefully this goes in straight. Ready? Go. Let's see if we can continue. It almost stopped. It's pretty much almost stopping. So let's continue. Oh, by the way, my hand is numbing out from the vibration of the tool, which that did not happen with this one. The surge majorly vibrates your hand. Let's continue. No, it's not gonna. Well, a little bit more. That's it. No, it's done. Did it do it? Technically it did it, but it won't put it any further than what it is. There's barely a clearance, but there is a smidge of a clearance. Very, very minuscule. All right, so let's take it out. I think we're just gonna do 4 inches. The 6 inches it's too much for these tools. That's way too much. All right, so let's take it out. The battery is still full on this one. Ready? Go. Time. Time. All right, let's do the surge next. Let's see how well it takes it out. All right, so ready? Go. It actually took it out very well. I thought it was going to majorly struggle. Thought it was gonna majorly struggle. Alrighty, so what I wanna do for the final test is I wanna see how well these do with a 1 1/4 inch speed bore. Speed 3, batteries at 3 bars. Right here is good. This is not pressure treated wood, it's a regular 2x4. Alright, so ready? Go. Time. Taking it out is a test to see if the collet releases the bit, and it did not. It did not. So the absolute final temperature for the regular impact driver, 100 degrees. 100 degrees. All right, let's do the surge next. Oh, both collets are quick inserts. I'm sorry, I see. Collets are quick inserts. Then you do the surge. Beautiful. All right, speed 3, batteries at 2 bars for the surge. All right, so ready? Go. Beautiful. So like I said, this was the first time actually using the surge when it comes to the M12 system, and this is hot. This thing is really hot, 109, and it cooled down for a little bit too, 115, 110, 115. So yeah, so like this is, yeah, what a difference in the temperature. I will say that the surge is significantly quieter than the regular impact driver, and that's like a DAW situation. That's why they made it. Like, I do not know what the results are. I find the results out during the edit of the video. And so, yeah. So if you found this video helpful to just help you decide which one you need to get, if you have to make the decision if you want to get this one or this one, I hope this video helped you out with that. And so, yeah, both of them are awesome. In my opinion, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. Like, because of this, what I do in these videos, you wouldn't use 12-volt tools for anyways. Like, you wouldn't use a 12-volt tool to drive in a lag. No way. You just use a higher voltage tool, but they're able to do it. It puts the motor through so much stress to see if it gives out at any point during the test, and that's why I do these videos. I do these videos to help save you guys money, because if you're in a dilemma to where you had either or, I hope this video helped you out to see which one you actually need in your situation. So that's pretty much it. I seriously thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video with me. That's for the people that actually watch the premiere of this with me. And so, yeah, please like this video. Please hit the bell button to be notified of future videos, and please subscribe to the channel. This is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Check out VCG Construction. Links in the description below.